Hi everyone, so I won this really big PR box from Thania Gonzalez on YouTube, and as you can see I did message her and she let me know that the stuff was stolen and the box was sealed when she sent it, and I received it opened. The mail lady came to the door and was like, "I'm sorry, this was open." And that's all she said, and I was like, well, I didn't know what was in it, so it's not like I could, like, completely everything that was in it, so it's not like I could actually be like, oh, this is missing. So I did reach out to her and let her know what happened, and she told me that a lot of it was stolen, and I told her to message USPS and let them know and show them a picture of, the picture I had sent. And she said she would, and I reached out to her 2 other times and she never got back to me. I just want to know what happened. But let's just see what's in the box. So she packaged it really nicely and what was left in there. So let's just take a look. So from Pixie is this Hydro Mist, these 2 eyeliners, and a lip treatment. So I'm just kind of pulling stuff out so I can show you guys really quick. She included another lip balm. I thought these were super cute. They're little Hello Kitty nails. She included this brow bleach. This necklace. From It Cosmetics, a brush, which is nice. It's always good to have a brush. Some stickers that came with the jewelry box, I believe. It looks the same. So here is the beautiful jewelry box. It does have a mirror, and it does have a mirror, and then this is an Impressions Vanity light up mirror for travel. Inside of here is a Pixie Hello Kitty blush and this strawberry lip gloss. I've never tried this brand, so I'm excited to try the brand. And this is what the rest of the box looks like. It's really cute. I like all the little detail on it. And she included some of these little samples from Sol de Janeiro. Then she included these lip treatments. They are to soften your lips, and they have different flavors, which is cool. From Pharmacy, she included this green clean to basically wipe off all the makeup and stuff. Then there was this cute little ring. Then from It Cosmetics is this sun blush, which I've never tried It Cosmetics. Then from Physicians Formula, we have a mascara. I like Physicians Formula. The charging cable to the little mirror. Then from Giorgio Armani, a concealer. Then from Merit, a brush, which is always good to have brushes. Then the last item in the box were these really pretty nail polishes, which I'm excited, and they're Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. And this is the original box that she got it from. That's what she sent the PR stuff in. So this is everything that was left in the giveaway from Thania Gonzalez on YouTube. I'll leave her channel down below. Check her out. Hopefully she heard back from the USPS, like I said, and was able to get some kind of resolution or just any answer or anything from what exactly happened and who stole the rest of the items I didn't receive. But this is everything, and I will share it with people from Mexico. I'm going to have some of this stuff sent out because I like to share, and I think it's good to let someone else enjoy nice items too. Thank you so much. Check out her channel, and thank you to everybody who watched. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.